Welcome to World Finance Brief. Okay, let's dive right in. We've got a massive story for you today, one where a huge nine-figure investment is smashing together the worlds of content creation and high finance. And honestly, this could be a game changer for everyone involved.
So, let's talk about the number at the heart of all this. $200 million. Yeah, you heard that right. A number so big it just sent absolute shockwaves through the creator economy and Wall Street. This isn't just a big check, it's a signal that something new, something really big, is on the horizon.
Okay, so who's writing a check that big? Well, it's a company called Bitmine Immersion Technologies, a really big deal in the crypto world. And they're pumping that $200 million straight into Beast Industries. You know, the media empire run by the one and only MrBeast? It really makes you wonder, right? What in the world happens when one of Wall Street's biggest crypto players decides to back the world's biggest YouTuber?
All right, to really get what's going on here, you've got to understand the two giants at the table. I mean, they come from completely different universes, but they're both placing a massive bet on the exact same digital future.
So on one side, you've got the absolute media machine that is MrBeast. We're talking over 450 million subscribers and an insane 5 billion views every single month. Then on the other side, you've got Bitmine. It's run by a Wall Street vet, Tom Lee, and their whole game is to be the world's #1 holder of Ethereum. So they've made this massive all-in bet on that one crypto. This really is a clash of titans.
Okay, so this begs the obvious question. Why? Why on earth is a serious financial company like Bitmine throwing this kind of money at a YouTuber? Well, it all boils down to a really powerful new idea, a new investment thesis.
Bitmain's chairman, Tom Lee, actually put it pretty simply. He said that this is all about uniting the two most powerful forces in the new digital economy, content and crypto. So see, this isn't just an investment, it's a strategic alliance.
So let's unpack that vision a little. Lee is betting that Ethereum is going to be the new backbone for all of finance. We're talking everything. Stocks, dollars, services, it all goes digital. And then he asked, who has the best, most direct line to the generations that grew up with this stuff? You know, Gen Z, Gen Alpha, Millennials. It's MrBeast, hands down. So this whole deal, it's about marrying the tech with the audience. And check this out, the market seems to be totally on board with this idea. Since the year started, Bitmain's stock has jumped over 20%. To put that in perspective, the S&P 500 is only up about 1%. So yeah, it's pretty safe to say this news is hitting the right notes with investors.
But look, this deal is about way more than just funding crazier YouTube videos now. This is about building a whole new kind of financial world.
And the key to that whole future? It's this thing called decentralized finance, or DeFi for short. Basically, think of it like building financial stuff, you know, loans, payments, but on the blockchain. The big deal is that it cuts out the middlemen, like banks, and you better believe this new partnership is looking at how to use it. So here's how it could all play out. We know MrBeast is already working on a financial services platform. Now, you bring in Bitmine with all their crypto know-how, and suddenly they can start building these DeFi tools right into that platform. They could create brand new financial products built on crypto specifically for his huge young audience. It's a pretty clear roadmap, which, of course, brings us to the big $200 million question that pretty much everyone in finance and tech is asking right now.
So what are we really looking at here? Is this a truly visionary move that's going to completely reshape entertainment and finance for a whole new generation? Or is this just a super risky, overhyped bet on two industries that are, let's be honest, pretty volatile? That's the debate that is just now kicking off. So now I want to turn it over to you. What's your take? Is this the blueprint for the future? Or is it a classic sign of a market bubble that's just waiting to pop? We really want to know what you think, so drop your take in the comments below. Seriously, we read every single one, and we're super curious to see where you all land on this.
And hey, if you want more deep dives into the stories that are shaping our financial future, make sure you subscribe to World Finance Brief. Thanks so much for watching.